So now I'm going to show you how we do it. Download the ISO file. Windows 11, you will first go to google.com. You will search for ISO. ISO Windows 11 and click search. Next, you'll click on the first page. Download Windows 11. Next, you will scroll down and select Download Windows 11 for Windows 10. This image and select Download Windows 11 Multi Edition and click Confirm. Next, you will choose the language you want. You can choose. I will choose English. And I'll confirm. Wait a minute. Next, you will choose 64-bit. I will download the 64-bit version for you. Then you will click on 64-bit download. You will now choose the path. To save the file, I will select the desktop folder, click Save. It will now download its ISO file. You can use this ISO file to install it. The latest version of Windows 11. Official from Microsoft. Thank you very much and wish you success.